Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change SIM pin on iOS 26. To change the SIM pin code, go to the settings. Now in the settings, go to mobile service. Then scroll to SIM pin. Click on that. You can see I have my SIM pin enabled. If I click on change pin, first I need to enter the current one and approve it. Then enter a new one. Approve it, then confirm the new pin. Approve, and it's changed. I hope the video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.